Exterminate! The Dalek race is supreme! All hail the Daleks! Welcome to the Supreme Daleks channel! The video will begin in 3, 2, 1. Greetings, people of Earth. My name is the Dalek Supreme, and welcome back to another Dalek Reacts videos. Today we are going to be reacting to another EAS scenario video, which involves spiders. Now, yes, you're making me think back to that episode, Arachnids in the UK. Now, I have to ask, why do you keep sending me EAS scenario videos? I must say, they have been getting kind of boring to react to, and apparently this one is 44.42 minutes long. I presume it's the same thing as the usual EAS scenarios thingy. So, yeah, that should be other videos that you can make me react to. But besides EAS scenarios, maybe find an awesome Dalek one that'll make me interested. Also, I found out that in this particular one, it has some offensive words in it that I don't really approve of. Yeah, they're basically racist. Yes. So, I just have a question. Why do you keep showing me? Why do you keep giving me videos that are offensive? Do you like this kind of stuff? I'm just very concerned on why you would do, or why you do this. So, to prevent this from basically happening again, I've decided I'm going to lay some ground rules whenever I'm doing the Dalek cast. Firstly, basically, no offensive words. That's one rule. Also, no offensive words in videos, or questions for that matter, basically. No repeat questions because it gets a bit tiring having to read the same question over and over again. And and this also includes repeats of videos like the EAS scenarios. And 3, no videos that basically take too long. Okay, so those are my rules. I hope you guys can understand them. And I'm not doing this to be mean. I'm doing this since you guys are basically my family, my YouTube team. We need to work together on this. Understand? Anyway, without further ado, let's just begin.
Game 3 of NBA Finals against
Okay.
and recorded in the Orlando Magic. Game 3 of NBA Finals against Paul George and the Los Angeles Clippers. And the star Orlando Magic are absolutely dominant, what it seems like, as they took the first 2 games in the city of Angeles, along with 2 siblings in the series. The game will be held at 8 p.m. with pre-game starting at 5:30 p.m. We have some odd news to bring to the Orlando area at this time. The CDC, also known as the Central Disease Control in Atlanta, had identified a new disease that appears to have an organic from bugs, particularly arachnids. Nothing is known about the virus, but we continue to keep you.
I can't hear what you're saying, you're muffled. You sound like this. You sound very much like this.
And most to chaos. Alert, Demetrius unit over our AOS receivers at this time, and we will get to that alert to you as soon as possible. Please stand by for a administrative message.
And how long this video is gonna be?
The following message is transmitted at the request of your local authorities, as well as the Centers for Disease Control. This is a message pertaining to a discovery made by the Centers for Disease Control in Atlanta regarding tropical arachnids, as well as other types of large spiders. The recent identification of a new virus has been made by the CDC as this message is being transmitted. At this time, no information has been revealed about this virus, including symptoms, incubation period, and what kind of organisms this may affect. At this time, all residents receiving this broadcast are in no immediate danger, but are to be wary of any spiders or other arachnids that you may come across. All residents may continue with their daily routines. Game 3 of the NBA Finals between the Orlando Magic and Los Angeles Clippers at Tamway Center will go on as scheduled. If you are at all concerned with the virus, you may consult the CDC website for more information. Repeating, a newly identified virus has been discovered, and is currently affecting only spiders and other arachnids at this time. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for more updates on this discovery. This is WOFL, serving the Orlando area. Regular programming may now resume.
Yeah, by the way, yeah, I hate to have put rules on you guys, but it's for your own good, and I'm basically trying to keep this as child-friendly as possible. It's supposed to be creepy.
The dad of this channel. It doesn't even seem to affect us at all in terms of our health. However, there is a catch. This disease has spread to over 300 bugs, mostly arachnids such as spiders. All residents of Orlando are encouraged to be cautious of any spiders that may be present, as we may not know if this virus can spread to people. At this time, please stand by for more updates on this or other stations within the area. This has been breaking news on WFTV.
Okay. I'm gonna have to skip this bit.
Instead, call the Orange County Animal Services to assist with removing these creatures from your shelter. Gather all essential supplies with you, and do not call 911. Please stay tuned. Local media outlets.
Okay, cool. I managed to skip what I needed to skip because I didn't want to hear anything offensive, because I have seen these clips and they're basically raps. They got raps in them. Okay, good.
Stand by for civil danger warning for the entire state of Florida.
And of course, this is what I get whenever I'm trying to skip things easily without having problems like this. Oh crap. Why did you make me do this outdoor gaming?
The following message is transmitted at the request
Let me just check, are there any other
the spider attacks
rap songs that may have
along with the newly identified
offensive
virus that
words
affects
in them?
spiders have both been reported in several cities within the state of Florida. These cities include Miami, Tampa Bay, Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Fort Walton Beach, Destin, Pensacola, and West Palm Beach. These spiders have grown to as large as large cattle and automobiles, and are reported to be attacking any living creatures in their line of sight. Do not approach these creatures, or you may be attacked and or killed by these creatures. To protect yourself, all residents of for coverage of this event. This is the emergency alert system, serving the Orlando area. Regular programming will be terminated until further notice.
North Carolina, The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The virus, SPI-175, as well as attacks from spiders the size of mobile homes that originated in the state of Florida, particularly in the city of Orlando, been reported in areas of the midwestern portions of the southeast. States affected include North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana, Kentucky, and Texas. The virus is transforming small house spiders into the native species of spiders into bloodthirsty monsters that are wreaking havoc on the public. Massive damage, confusion, injuries, fatalities, and consumption of civilians have been reported as a result of attacks and appearances of these massive spiders. Some disturbing reports have also come into the authorities. People were seen being carried away by these creatures, as well as people being ripped away from their homes. Some cases of people being trapped in spider webs as thick as polyester robes, completely mutilated and unrecognizable by emergency management personnel have also coming. Federal Emergency Management Agency is having great trouble dealing with these massive spiders, and these areas are at risk for declaring martial law. Despite that these areas are at risk for declaring martial law, all residents are ordered to evacuate to the north and west, as there are no reports of the virus or any large spiders that may be present. This is not a mandatory order, but is strongly recommended to increase your chances of survival in this emergency. When you evacuate, gather all of the people in your home, as well as 14 days worth of supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and that programming will be discontinued.
Yeah, okay.
All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
It looks like it's gonna go crazy. It's very crazy.
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable stations shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WXTV. We will continue to serve the Orlando area. If you are not in this local area, you should now tune to stations providing news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Orlando area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt your programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is WXTV.
Yeah, okay. They're everywhere. Okay. There's no way we are going to stop them. So, yeah, you see why I had to cut large chunks of it. It's because, well, basically I had to skip them because it had rap music, and you know how rap music is. It's got very offensive words in it, and I don't approve of it. That's why I set up rules. whatever people are doing the Dalek cast, are taking part in the Dalek cast, they need to follow specific rules. As I said, I hope you can understand. This isn't to be mean. This is to protect you. Damn. Those are some big spiders. Damn. It's turning into chaos. Yeah, I never thought this would happen. In fact, I would be quite proud if spiders took over the world. Then again, Daleks would possibly have immense difficulty if they want to destroy the spiders.
Notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WXTV. We will continue to serve the Orlando area. If you are not in this local area, you should not see the stations providing news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Orlando area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt your programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal.
Here, Romans 6:23. For the wages country in the world is reporting attacks and spiders present. Is transmitted at the request
area. You should now tune to stations providing news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Orlando area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt your programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been. Alert system has been activated.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Please.
Damn. Excellent. Wow. Looks like the spiders managed to take over the world. Well, that was good. Anyway, people of Earth, I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please like and subscribe to become part of the Dalek Empire, and I will see you all in the next video. Also, the next time you guys are doing a Dalek cast, please keep it family friendly. That's the one rule I should give you. Keep it family friendly. Because all Daleks would want you to do it. Anyway, see you in the next video then. Goodbye. Thanks all for the enjoyable video. Don't forget to click below to subscribe to the official Dalek Supreme YouTube channel, or you will be exterminated! Long live the Dalek!